Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial about ModelConverterX. In this video tutorial I want to talk about some changes to the round earth correction that ModelConverterX can do for you. As you might know, the tool for a while already has the possibility to correct your scenery, which has been designed for FS 2004 style flat earth, to the round earth that FSX and Prepared 3D use. I've made some changes to this functionality now to make it even more flexible, and I want to give a quick demonstration of that. If you go into the Special Tools menu, there's a coordinate converter, and with this converter you can convert between latitude, longitude, flat earth, and the geocentric coordinates used for the round earth. So given a certain reference latitude, longitude, I can type in like a second latitude, longitude, and it will tell me what the flat earth x, y coordinates are, but also what the round earth geocentric x, y and z are compared to that reference point. This is not something new, this has been there all the time. What you can also do is do a reverse calculation. So I can say I have like x100, y120 in flat earth, and then it will calculate the latitude, longitude that belong to that. That was already possible, but what I added in the new build is that you can now also reverse from the geocentric coordinates. So you can type in I want 100, 120 for the geocentric coordinates, and then it will calculate either the latitude, longitude or the flat earth x, y from that as well. So that might be useful if you want to undo some curve correction, or want to calculate what the offsets between the two different systems are. With that, there's one more possibility I want to show you. If I just load like a simple runway, I'll open the object information screen. You can see that it's like 600 meters long normally. So now I will open the Earth curve editor. This is the tool where you can do the correction for the curve of the Earth. So you can see here that the runway is 600 meters long and it's at level 0, so it's ground level. If I now select that I want to apply a correction for the curve of the Earth, you can see that it sort of calculates the new position of all the vertices of the runway. And because of the curve, the ends of the runway will be bended downwards, so you see that the z coordinate is getting a little bit negative. Of course, this runway is not so long, so it's only a few millimeters in this case, but okay. And you also see that the y coordinates are changed a bit, because due to the curve of the Earth, the runway needs to be a little bit longer to still get the right length. This was already possible in the previous release as well. What I've now added is a removal of the Earth correction. So if you have an object that was corrected for the curve of the Earth in FSX, with this function you can now uncorrect it again and make it like the flat Earth object again, like you would use in FS 2004 or maybe in your modeling tool. So if I now do correct again, but then with the removal option, you will see that the length is 600 again and it's flat on the Earth again. So what's new in the next build is that you can also undo those Earth curve corrections again and do the calculations between the latitude, longitude, flat Earth XYZ and the geocentric XYZ in any order you want. So I hope this gives you a little bit more flexibility while making your scenery, and I hope you enjoy this new feature.